Have you ever wondered what a single button could change in the gaming world? The Nintendo Switch 2 is coming, and its mysterious C button might just revolutionize how we connect and play. Let's dive into what makes this feature so intriguing. The Nintendo Switch 2 is already making waves in the gaming world, and one of the most talked about updates is its redesigned Joy-Con controllers. Among these changes, the spotlight is firmly on a mysterious new button labeled C. This button has sparked endless curiosity and speculation among fans, but recent leaks may have finally uncovered its purpose. Could this small addition be a game changer? Let's take a closer look at what we know so far. The C button isn't just any ordinary addition, it's connected to a feature called Campus. According to leaks, Campus is a brand new social platform designed specifically for the Nintendo Switch 2. The button itself acts as the gateway to this hub, offering players a way to connect, communicate, and share experiences. From voice chats to screen sharing, Campus promises to take the social side of gaming to the next level. Campus is set to transform how players interact on the Nintendo Switch 2. With this platform, users can join multiplayer chats that support up to 12 participants. Whether you're strategizing with friends during a game or just catching up, Campus offers a new level of connectivity. But it doesn't stop there. Campus also introduces features like screen capture and screen sharing, letting you show off gameplay moments or even watch your friends play in real time. This feature feels like Nintendo's answer to platforms like Discord, but tailored specifically for Switch users. It's a bold move that shows Nintendo's commitment to enhancing the social side of gaming. However, there's a catch. Some of these features might be tied to a Nintendo Switch Online subscription. This means that while Campus could offer exciting possibilities, accessing its full potential might come at an additional cost. This has already sparked mixed reactions, with some fans questioning why these features aren't included as standard. The information about the C button and Campus comes from a series of intriguing leaks. According to these reports, the details were uncovered through data mining the current Nintendo Switch operating system and leaks from the Switch 2 SDK. These findings have given us a glimpse into what Campus could offer, though Nintendo has yet to officially confirm any of these features. This type of leak has become a common way for fans to get early insights, but it always raises questions about how much of it is accurate and how much is speculation. For now, these leaks are fueling both excitement and skepticism within the Nintendo community. As expected, the news about Campus has sparked a range of reactions. On one hand, many fans are thrilled about the idea of a feature-rich social platform for the Switch 2. The ability to voice chat, share screens, and connect with up to 12 people is seen as a major upgrade for Nintendo's ecosystem. On the other hand, there's criticism too. Some players are unhappy about the reliance on a subscription for full access to Campus. Others question why Nintendo hasn't simply integrated Discord, a platform already loved by millions of gamers worldwide. This divide in opinions reflects the high expectations surrounding Nintendo's next big release. It's important to note that not everyone is convinced these leaks are genuine. Discussions on platforms like Famaboards highlight skepticism about the authenticity of the claims. While some believe the leaks align with Nintendo's recent efforts to enhance online features, others think it could just be wishful thinking. For now, the community remains split. Whether these leaks turn out to be accurate or not, they've certainly stirred up excitement and debate about what the Nintendo Switch 2 might bring to the table. Adding to the anticipation is the rumored release window for the Nintendo Switch 2. Reports suggest an April launch, which isn't too far away. This means fans might not have to wait long to see if the C button and Campus are real and, more importantly, if they live up to the hype. With these new features and updates, the Nintendo Switch 2 is shaping up to be one of the most talked about gaming devices of the year. The mysterious C button and the rumored Campus feature are already sparking a lot of interest in the Nintendo Switch 2. Whether it's the multiplayer chats, screen sharing, or the promise of a social hub, Campus has the potential to change how we connect as gamers. But as exciting as these leaks sound, they leave us with plenty of questions. Will Campus deliver on its promises? Will it justify the potential subscription costs? And most importantly, will it meet the high expectations of Nintendo's dedicated fans? What do you think about the C button and Campus? Is this a feature you're looking forward to? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.